Why is the price of Shiba Inu coin continuing to stay down right now? And what's going to happen next year with Shiba Inu in the context of the overall cryptocurrency market? Welcome, guys. Those are some things we're going to address. We're going to take a look at the charts, and there are some good things actually to look at when it comes to the price of Shiba Inu, too. I know it doesn't feel like that because the price has been down, but when you zoom out a little bit, and I'll show you what I mean a little bit later on in the video, things are actually holding up pretty well considering what's happened here this week. And, one thing that's impacting the overall cryptocurrency markets right now, guys, is Bitcoin ETFs. And if we see a slowdown in Bitcoin ETF inflows, which means a slowdown in new money coming into Bitcoin, it is tending to impact the overall market. And this week, we saw just that. We saw a little bit of a slowdown with Bitcoin ETFs. As we go inside CoinMarketCap, we can see that Bitcoin pretty flat right now here, but still down about 5% this week. Now, Ethereum is probably of more concern for us when it comes to SHIB, right? Because SHIB is an ERC20 token. We want to pay close attention to Ethereum. And Ethereum has been bleeding a little bit harder than Bitcoin this week, which makes sense. Lower market cap. Same thing with altcoins, right? But we know SHIB that we know this about SHIB. It's very, very tied to Ethereum because it's very simple to see when you look at these top cryptos. Okay, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, some stable coins. BNB's its own network. Solana, it's its own network. USDC, obviously its own thing. XRP, its own network. Dogecoin is proof of work, its own network. Cardano, own blockchain. Toncoin, Avalanche, own blockchain. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the largest ERC20 token, guys. Meaning it is the largest Ethereum-based token by market cap. Think about that. So this is why Ethereum is so crucial when we look at the price of SHIB. SHIB is like the little brother to Ethereum in a lot of ways because it is an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum blockchain, the largest of anything else out there, sitting just shy of a $16 billion market cap. So SHIB down 13%. When Ethereum's down 8%, makes complete sense. Makes all the sense in the world, actually. And what's happening is this slowdown of institutional money coming into the markets, and we've seen this pullback. So what's going to happen here as we get close to the Bitcoin halving? Nobody actually has a silver bullet, right? Nobody has a crystal ball, but we can start to speculate. This was normal, this pullback. I mean, think about where SHIB went, right? If we head over to the charts, SHIB went to freaking Valhalla there for a minute, right? Spiking up right around 350% in 15 days. By the way, we're pulling that up from February 19th to March 5th. Why February 19th? That's where our momentum up flashed. This is our trading indicator we use over at XT Algo. If you guys haven't signed up with us at XT Algo, it's a trading indicator that makes it super simple and easy for you to see the best entry points. It's going to help you make more money in crypto. You guys can sign up with it today. It's my link down below. There's a 21% off discount code, a little over $1 a day. Highly encourage you guys to give it a try. I'm telling you guys, this is a tool that works. So we saw the massive run up, right, for 15 days there, right around 2 weeks. Then we started to bleed off a little bit, kind of found our support right here at the 2.4 level. The good thing here is we have not broken that support. Even with this market downturn, we have continued to stay above this blue line that I've drawn right at the 2.3 level. And to me, as long as we're above this line, we're in good shape here. We're in good shape. Now, Shiba Inu right now is facing a big test. This was a big test. As the market starts to pull back, you really learn about the sentiment around a crypto. You really learn about the sentiment from the community about where they are in terms of having conviction, in terms of buying the dips. We haven't seen whales come in at these levels just yet, but if they did, that would certainly help boost us up from here. But in the macro here, we're okay. This is a healthy pullback, a healthy retracement in the overall markets, and SHIB is a part of that. And that's why you can see kind of from the technical standpoint, we're kind of neutral. It's not all bad. It's not all great, but I mean, pretty much kind of just, right in the middle. So if we look at some of the, moving averages from the 30-day, 20-day, and 10-day, Well, it shows a sell. But the long-term moving averages, which is something very important to watch, the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day are all still in the buy region, meaning we're above all of our 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages. So again, when you're zooming out here a little bit, the big picture, so far, SHIB has held up well. Right now, if we break down below this, we'll make videos on that, talking about why and what happened, if it's something SHIB related specific or if it's something from the macro. Right now, it looks like we're going to continue to see some continuation of this consolidation. As long as Ethereum kind of holds up here and doesn't continue its downturn. And if we look at ETH, by the way, which is very important for us to watch, we are holding a nice little floor here of like 31 level. So we don't want to go below like 31.10. Right now we're at 32.52. Now we have seen Asia sell off for 4 days in a row. Okay, you can kind of see where we don't want to go lower than. We want to bounce off this. For a 4th day in a row, Asia has been selling off a little bit. It's just kind of a cool down in the market ahead of the Bitcoin halving is really how I'm treating it. There are pullbacks and market corrections or mini crashes, whatever you want to call them. These happen inside bull markets. It's totally normal, guys. So if you still have conviction for SHIB in this bull cycle and you still want to see it get to all-time highs, I still think there's time and there's an ability to do that. It's just we have to have patience throughout this run. Now, in my opinion, you've heard me talk about this before. Is Shiba Inu going to go to, 1 cent this cycle? No. Do I think it's going to go to, something absolutely absurd and 100x in this crypto cycle? Guys, the answer is no. It's a $16 billion market cap. As I've been mentioning, I want to see it get to a $100 billion market cap. I think that would be huge within this cycle. And that is still more than a 5x from current prices. And we've already come up a 4 or 5x from our local bottoms in this previous bull market. So way back in the day, those were the days when it was 506 that I said that's where my open position is in SHIB that I was adding onto. That's where you wanted to pick up more. Now, you could still say, hey, this is still a cheap price if you're still looking for a potential move to the upside. I still think there's that possibility, right? So hopefully this information finds you well. I'm giving you guys kind of my thoughts on the overall macro right now and how it impacts SHIB, how it's related to SHIB. And if you guys got some value, let me know by smashing the like button, subscribing down below. We'll see you in the next video. Happy Friday, everybody. Get ready for the weekend. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support here on the channel. Happy to bring you guys this news every single day. We'll see you.